that a stop? Slow stop. Oh, thank you so much. Really, 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 really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, yo, turd. She looked in the rearview mirror and saw me too, so fuck her. You see someone, you know, thingy with the lights? Are you just backing in? Okay. But, you know, you see the lights on, you stop. Go get out of the way. You ran the red light. I need some time for thinking. Could use the crosswalk, Muffy.
Turn right.
That was not a stop. Stop before you turn. You're facing the wrong way and you're parked in the fire lane and Jesus Christ. You have 2 parking spaces for that tiny car. Stop! Beep, beep. Okay, are you gonna stop? No! Stop tailgating. Turn on your headlights. If you have a green, go. You just sat through a green. And I just ran a red. Oh well. I'm getting off here, you twat! Fuck you! Bitch. Pardon my French. This time accelerate. That's why I need my rear camera back. Good move, Subadoosh. Uh-oh, tough guy truck. Raging, raging, raging. Yep, Hydra 22. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, Jeep jerk. No, sorry. Tough guy truck. Tough guy turd. And here in the red. Little FedEx man ran the red. You're so vain. You probably think this stop sign isn't for you. You're so vain. Till the night closes, there's no stop. Ran the red. Do you mind, lady? Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. You're supposed to stop for the right on red. Nope. Stop. You really didn't want to, did you? Oh. No, you didn't want to either. Okay. Half a car. It's half a car. I don't think it stopped. And you gotta run the right, left and right, and you ran that too. Yeah, Sibadoosh. Walk away. Stop. You're on the red. Are you exit diving? Yeah, you're exit diving. That was not a yield, thank you. It's a hell of a way to have your phone mounted, douchebag. You're going straight, aren't you? Yep, straight from the turn lane, and straight from the turn lane. One's a Toyota turd, I don't know what the other one is. Thank you, scumbag. No, Toyota turd, no. Go! Would you fucking go? You're in a big fucking rush to get in front of me. Go! Now go straight from the turn lane again. Yep! Do I miss this for a second? No. No, no, no. Do not enter 5 to 7 p.m. Slow roll it. And of course, yep, of course, you aren't gonna stop. No. You're just an all-around scumbag. I should go see Carl Speth. He lives over there. Stop. 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 Oh, hi, I'm not here yet. That's second me, probably don't lie. You wait till there. I gotta stop! Ah, crud. We're in the red! Stop!